Very good morning to one and all. Today, once again, I am here to explain you chapter The Ant and the Grasshopper of class 3. Those were the summer days and the weather was warm and comfortable. There was a lazy grasshopper who loved eating, dancing, and playing with his violin. All the day he used to sit on the twig of a plant and sip nectar from the flowers and eat leaves. While doing this, he saw a colony of ants who were working hard for collecting food. He was confused to see them working instead of enjoying. He started laughing at them. Then he saw an ant whose cart was stuck in mud. He went there and said to the ant that there is food everywhere and he sees no reason to worry and work for food. Then he started to sing, "Oh, the world owes us a living." He asked the ant to dance and have fun with him. The ant also joined him and started dancing. While they were dancing, the queen ant came and saw that the members of her colony were dancing instead of working. Seeing this, she was very angry. The ant jumped with fear and ran back to pull his cart. The queen came to the grasshopper and said that the grasshopper would change the song when the winter comes and all is covered with snow. The grasshopper did not listen to the queen ant and he went on singing "The world owes us a living" while playing his violin. The queen also moved to her place. Then the winter came. It was freezing and snowy. The grasshopper was looking for food as he was so hungry, but he would not find any food. Then he wore his winter clothes and went out in search of food. He found a leaf, but it flew away. He was in very bad condition. He struggled to survive, but as he was hungry, he turned weaker due to cold and hunger. He was on the verge of dying when he found the ant's place. It discovered some energy and hope in him. He put his best effort to reach the door. He saw through the glass window that the ants were having wonderful time, grand feast and celebration. He put his best effort to knock the door and he was frozen. The ant had heard the knock, so they came out and saw the grasshopper. They took him inside and warmed him up using hot water and warm blanket. They fed him soup. The grasshopper saw the queen coming. He felt very guilty. He requested the queen to give her a chance to stay with them. The queen ant said that only those who work may stay here. Hearing this, he jumped with excitement and thanked the queen ant. He started playing violin. The grasshopper had changed the song now. He now sang, "I owe the world a living. I have been fooled the whole year long and now I am singing a different song. You were right and I was wrong." So, last, all the ants and the grasshopper enjoyed playing the violin and danced and have fun over them. The moral of the story is that if we want to succeed, then we have to start working from today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.